In previous videos, we've seen how to make your app profitable with App-A-Deal. Now that your app is already generating revenue, let's face the next challenge: how to invest your marketing budget in user acquisition campaigns. Or better said, how to not lose all your money when you're trying to get more users. At App-A-Deal, we've simplified the whole process of analyzing your UA campaigns and generating automatic reports. Our pivot and graphical analysis are the quickest and most efficient ways to identify things such as targeting new user segments or making better decisions to optimize your UA campaigns. Let me show you how. If you take a look at this report, you'll see how you can check the current profit of all your user acquisition campaigns. In a matter of seconds, you can recognize the campaigns that are most profitable. Then you can adjust the budget you want to spend on each of them and optimize your bids based on your own data. And you have all these metrics available for any of your user acquisition channels, including organic users. Let's check this other example. In this case, you can split your campaigns into ad groups or ad sets and check which ones are performing best. Once you find out the best ad groups of your campaign, those that have high retention rates, average revenue per user, and low cost per install, you can scale them. This way you can get more traffic from these ad groups that are more profitable. You can even optimize your in-app events for them, to be sure that they will buy your in-app purchases or become loyal players. And what about segmenting your user acquisition campaigns per country? With the App-A-Deal reports, in a few seconds and changing only a few metrics, you can find which countries have a positive return of ad spending. Once you find a cohort big enough, you can localize your assets to that specific country and culture, and create a dedicated campaign that'll have even greater results. And changing a few parameters more, App-A-Deal will allow you to identify which ad creatives have better return of ad spending. You can easily find which creatives bring new users that deliver higher revenues and increase their ad budget. Or the opposite, decrease the budget of those creatives with a low average revenue per user. And last but not least, let me show you how you can control the metrics for specific sources or ad networks. In this case, you can check the performance of all the ad networks you're using. By identifying those sources with higher cost per install and low return over ad spending, you can again redistribute your marketing budget. Now you've seen how only by changing a few metrics, you can get powerful insights from your user acquisition campaigns in no time. You can find which countries you should target, which creatives you should scale, and the ad networks and user segments you should prioritize. Or in better words, where to spend your marketing budget and stop losing money with things that are not working. Now it's time to align your monetization, user acquisition, and analytics. Start creating personalized reports, find new opportunities to grow, and turn your apps into top-earning hits. It's easy, it's smart, it's App-A-Deal.